So hi guys, so for today's video we're gonna learn about on how to create and send invoices to clients using Shopify.io. So first thing to do is to click payments, click invoices, and new. Click new invoices. So you can choose or select the contact you want to bill. Here, let's say for example this one. Click this checkbox. If you have a terms and condition, you can write on notes here, and for also for late fees, include tipping and add attachment. So after that, after you add your products, just like this one, for example, and also you set the due date and customize the invoice message, you can click the send button. So after you click here, the client will receive the invoice via email with the payment button. So let's try. Here, you can choose it's either email and text, email, or text. So click send. So automatically, your client will receive the invoice via your email. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.